Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix another program is being installed. Please wait until the installation is complete this problem. So I'm going to show you three methods to solve the problem. So let's start the video. First of all, right click it on your start button here and go to task manager, click it, and after that go to services here and scroll down and look for this option, and after that right click it and go to details here. And all you have to do is right click this option and select end process tree and your problem may fix in this way. And the second method, if this method is not solving your problem, is go to your search option again and here search ms config, and here you can see the system configuration. Click the open option here and now go to services again and select hide all Microsoft service, and after that click disable and then click apply and then click OK, and you have to restart your PC and see the problem is solved or not. And if this method still not solved your problem, the third method is go to your search option again and here click services, double click it to open and go all the way down, and after that find this Windows installer option and double click it to open and select, if it's running, select stop and then click apply and then click OK, and then your problem will be solved. So this is the video and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.